Welcome friends. Today we are going to demonstrate you a new laptop Lenovo V15. So I have unboxing video of Lenovo V15. So I will give you details about Lenovo V15. What are the features of Lenovo V15? It's very nice laptop. I buy. Okay. So I will demonstrate the features of this. So it is basically a Lenovo laptop. Model number is 81YD. It's 39.62 inch, like 15.5 inch, and it comes with Core i3 with 8th generation, and the cost is very low on Amazon. So I have purchased it online. So I will give you details about this. So what are the things you'll have in this? So it's having Intel i3 8130 CPU of 2.2 GHz processor, and it is boost up to 3.4 GHz. Then RAM is of 4 GB, then storage is of 1 TB hard disk. So it's having regular hard disk, it's not having SSD. It is having integrated CPU graphics card integrated, so there is no separate graphics card available in this laptop, and the display is 15.5 inch. Okay, so and battery is of 2 cells, and very good thing about this is it's preloaded with Windows 10 Home Edition, so no need to use the pirated edition. The color of this particular laptop is iron gray. So we'll see unboxing of this. Okay, so I will open the wrap. I will open the wrap. Okay, so it's having two compartments. On one compartment you have charger, I guess. Yes, this is a charger. You get for the Lenovo. It's very nice square charger. This is of like 1 ampere, 1.7 ampere with 20 volt DC output, and it is logo is mentioned on the charger, Lenovo. Okay, and the pin is mini pin available, and the length of wire is too good. Okay, next we'll take out the laptop from the box. Nice. So keep this side. Take out the plugs. Right. Okay, nice packaging for the laptop. So there is no battery in the box, so battery is already fixed in the laptop itself, no external battery in the box. So on the back side we'll have the details about the laptop. The Windows logo is stickered there, then the logo is available actually. Okay, then you'll have exit cooling available on the back side. Okay, front side is very nice color, Lenovo logo is available on the top. Okay, we'll open this and see. Okay, we'll open this now. Alright, so we'll have support logo here. There is a QR code for this, support QR code. Then Core i3 logo available on this. Okay, then we'll have a nice trackpad, and this is integrated trackpad, so we can have right click and left click in the trackpad itself. Then we'll have a QWERTY keypad, full keypad is there. There is separate num block available. The on button is available in the keypad itself. Here it is, on button is available. Okay, then we'll have short function keys like mute, volume in, volume up, down. So these are with function keys available. Okay, alright, then I will give you a demonstration of USBs and all. So on this side we have 2 USB ports, total 3 USB ports available. 2 USB ports are normal USB ports, 1 USB port is 3.0 USB port, and next is HDMI port, so we can connect this to a projector or a smart TV. Then we'll have a charging adapter here, and the charging LED is available here. So this will be viewed on this side. On this side we'll have SD card slot. So here we can have SDCH card insertion, and there is audio jack available, 3.5 mm audio jack, so we can plug headphone in this, and there is a mic available here. Okay, so we'll start the laptop. Okay, one more feature about this is this laptop is 180-degree tilt facility, so we can tilt this laptop till 180-degree. So this is very nice facility available. So there is no hinge problem for this laptop. Okay, so we can tilt it for 180-degree. So it's a flat surface we'll get. Okay, I will turn it out. So to turn on, there is an on button available. So I need to just hit on button. White LED will glow and the screen will turn on. So this is a HD screen. So high definition screen is available. So it's very nice for view and work with this particular laptop. Okay, I will give you a demonstration of the laptop once it's turned on. This laptop I have turned on. So this is having 15.5 inch of a screen. Windows is preloaded in this, so no need to buy a pirated version or no need to install the pirated version. Windows is licensed, so I can hit the enter. I have already configured this. So log in with this. So it's very fast. Okay, so you can get all the information on the screen. So as I informed already, Windows is preloaded. So I will explore the properties of this laptop. So I will go to this PC and then right click on this. We'll see the properties of this in detail. Okay, is Windows 10 single home edition. Processor is Intel Core i3-8130. This is the 8th generation processor, and then 2.20 GHz, and it's a virtual boost up to 3.4 GHz. Then installed RAM is 4 GB. It's a 64-bit operating system already installed. There is no touch input available for this particular laptop. Okay, so these are the features of this particular laptop, and this laptop comes up with 1 TB of hard disk. So there is the Windows C and 930 GB of the hard disk available. Okay, so these are the advantages of the laptop, and there are some disadvantages or drawbacks of this particular laptop. As far as my use is concerned, there is no LAN cable for this. So it's having a Wi-Fi, but there is no LAN available for this. So Ethernet adapter or Ethernet USB to Ethernet adapter we need to use while we want to use a LAN for this particular laptop. So with just 30k, this is super laptop to buy. Okay, so I bought it for 28,800. So I will give a link in the description bar. You can buy it from the Amazon. Thank you for watching my video. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next upcoming updates. Thank you.